So, you know that 2 is A equals 2, so it means the amplitude is 2. You know that the period equals 2 pi over B, and B equals 1/3, so 2 pi over 1/3. You clear the fraction by multiplying by 3, just cross off, so you get 6 pi. So the period is 6 pi. Then the phase shift is 7 pi fourths. And negative 7 pi fourths. And the vertical shift is negative 1. So to find the new x-axis, the vertical shift is negative 1, so you drop it down 1. So negative 1 is your new x-axis. Then the phase shift is negative 7 pi fourths, or 1 and negative 1, or 3/4 pi. And negative 3 pi halves is the same thing as 1 and 1/2 pi. And 2 pi is the same thing as 2 pi. So it'll be right in between here. Now you know that it starts at the origin, and the ending point is 3 pi away, because you can't draw the whole thing on here because it's too big. So you draw half of it, which is 3 pi. The amplitude is 2, so halfway in between, which would be right here. You put your mark there, and 3 pi away. This is 1 pi, 2 pi, and 3 pi. So you draw your end mark right there. And the way to graph half of it is you go up like that, and come down like that. And that's it. Alright, so the first step is to sketch the midline. So you see that the midline, you count here, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you know that the midline is 4 down, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's right there. And then you see that the start of the graph is right here. That's the start of the maximum for cosine. So by looking at this, you can see that the amplitude is 4. The period from negative pi fourths to 3 pi over 4 is pi. To figure out b, you know that 2 pi over b, and equals the period, which the period is pi. So you know that you have to multiply by b, so you get pi b equals 2 pi, and divide by pi, and you get divide by pi, so you cross those out, and you get 2. Now you know that the phase shift is where it moves over from its original starting spot from the y-axis, and it moved over negative pi fourths. And you know that the vertical shift is how much it has moved from the x-axis, and it has moved down negative 2. So by using this information, you know that y equals 4, that's the amplitude, times cos, and b, so 2 times x plus, because it's a negative pi fourths, minus 2.